In this video, we are going to look at Learning Analytics. Learning Analytics are automatically created for any course in Schoolbox once it has student data to display. The Learning Analytics feature allows you to review data at a course and at a class level and make informed decisions about your teaching and your course. You can access Learning Analytics from your Submissions area by clicking the Options menu next to your class name and then clicking your class analytics. From here, you can view analytics for an individual class by clicking on the class name, or for a course by clicking on the name of the course. When you first land in Learning Analytics, you will see data for all time. You can view specific time periods by using the toggle. Below this, you can see the overall progress of your students. This will show you the percentage of the course that is being completed by all students and the percentage of the course that is being completed by the most advanced student in the class or cohort. You can also see who the top and bottom performing students of the class or cohort are. These rankings are determined by the students' overall grade results. As you scroll down, you will see a Box-and-Whisker Plot, which displays results for all graded assessments. In the Learning Analytics feature of Schoolbox, we use the two-key box plot. Hovering over a box plot will give you additional data that is useful for understanding the results of your students in that particular assessment. The graph will show you the range of results in a concise way. The box represents the middle band of your students' results, or in other words, 50% of your students' results. The whiskers represent 1.5 times the range of the box. Any results beyond the whiskers will be represented as outliers. These are the students who sit outside of the main dataset. Students who fall as outliers are students to whom you may consider offering extension tasks or more learning support. The Box-and-Whisker Plot is a useful tool to reflect on assessment tasks after students have completed them. If the median of the assessment task is particularly high, you may consider how to modify the assessment task in future to make it more challenging. Or you might consider how to challenge that cohort or class of students in future assessment tasks. You can further filter the results by assessment type by clicking the three dots in the top right of the graph. You will see a list of all assessment types used by your school. This could vary from school to school, so your list may differ from what's available here. This is a useful tool for comparison. For example, you could filter by the quiz assessment type to compare students' results in pre-unit tests to those in post-unit tests. Next, you will see the unit progress graph. This graph will show you the percentage of each unit that is being completed by all students and the percentage of each unit that is being completed by the most advanced student in the class or cohort. The capability graph displays all capabilities and indicators assessed in that unit. The Box-and-Whisker graph shows the range of student results per capability and indicator. Again, hovering over these will provide you with more data. This is a useful tool to determine what skills in particular your cohort or class are excelling at and where they need help to improve. Again, any outliers will help you discover any students that may need individual attention. Finally, there is an effort graph. This can be turned on or off, so it may or may not be visible at your school. This shows each student and compares their class page visits to their grade average.